Watch the moisture levels on belt 4. Yeah, I see it. Keep it moving.
Powerful washing systems remove remaining sugars, dirt, and impurities before fiber extraction.
Check the moisture reading here. Looks good, right at the target level.
Industrial shredders increase the surface area, preparing the peels for efficient cellulose extraction. The shredded peels are ground into a consistent pulp for the next processing stage. Controlled drying prevents decomposition while preserving valuable cellulose. The dried material is stored briefly before chemical-free cellulose extraction begins. Accurate feeding ensures every batch remains consistent. The goal is to separate natural cellulose, the key ingredient for sustainable textile fibers. The prepared orange peel pulp is processed to isolate valuable cellulose, the natural building block used for textile fibers. Mechanical separation removes unwanted solids while preserving the valuable cellulose fibers. Multiple filtration stages improve the purity and consistency of the cellulose.
Centrifugal force concentrates the cellulose into a thick, fiber-rich mass.
Each production batch is tested to ensure it meets strict manufacturing standards. The purified cellulose is transferred under controlled conditions to maintain consistent quality. The cellulose is carefully prepared into a uniform solution for fiber formation. Removing air bubbles helps produce smooth, uniform textile fibers. The finished spinning solution is delivered to the equipment that will create continuous textile fibers. With every system calibrated, the orange-derived cellulose is now ready to transform into continuous textile fibers.
The stabilization bath gives the new fibers their strength and flexibility.
Repeated washing removes every remaining processing residue. Stretching aligns each microscopic fiber, greatly improving durability. Carefully controlled drying protects the delicate textile fibers. Each continuous filament is wound under constant tension.
Every batch is checked for thickness, strength, and consistency.
Carding straightens every fiber before spinning begins.
The drawing process creates perfectly even strands for spinning.
A gentle twist prepares the fibers for high-speed yarn production. The prepared fibers become strong textile yarn.
Every yarn must meet strict strength requirements. Automatic winding prepares the yarn for weaving.
Even microscopic defects are automatically removed. Thousands of threads are organized for fabric production.
Uniform tension ensures flawless weaving.
The weaving machine is prepared for continuous production. Every thread must be perfectly positioned before weaving can begin. After a remarkable transformation, discarded orange peels have now become real fabric, ready for finishing into premium clothing.
Heat treatment helps the color remain stable during future washing and wear.
A final rinse removes any unattached dye while preserving the finished color.
This finishing stage improves the softness and feel of the final fabric.
Controlled drying prepares the textile for its final finishing treatments. Heat setting locks the fabric into its final dimensions, creating a stable, premium textile ready for garment production. The first woven fabric is carefully inspected to ensure a uniform weave before it moves into textile finishing. The fabric is thoroughly washed to create a clean foundation for the next finishing steps. Controlled moisture removal prepares the fabric for precision dyeing.
The flow rate is stabilizing at 500 liters.
Confirmed. The color saturation looks excellent on screen.
The textile absorbs color evenly as it travels through the continuous dyeing system. The fabric is spread into uniform layers, preparing it for precise pattern cutting. Computerized pattern planning helps reduce material waste while maintaining production accuracy. Automated cutting ensures every garment component matches the digital design. Each garment set is organized to maintain accurate production flow.
Every workstation is prepared before the first seam is stitched.
The first structural seams establish the garment's basic shape.
Precision sleeve attachment creates balanced garment construction. Joining the side seams transforms separate fabric panels into wearable garments. With the collar attached, the garment begins to take its final premium form.
Each garment set is organized to maintain accurate production flow.
Every workstation is prepared before the first seam is stitched.
Precision sleeve attachment creates balanced garment construction. Joining the side seams transforms separate fabric panels into wearable garments.
Care labels provide important maintenance information for the finished garment. Care labels provide important maintenance information for the finished garment.
Small finishing details help create a clean, professional appearance.
Cooling allows the fabric to stabilize before the final quality inspection. After a thorough review of the stitching and fabric texture, the garment is approved and ready for tagging.
Automated folding creates a consistent presentation while protecting the fabric from unnecessary handling.
Each garment receives a unique barcode for inventory tracking and retail distribution. Protective packaging helps keep every garment clean during storage and transportation. Every package is checked to ensure a secure seal before shipping.
Finished garments are carefully packed to protect them throughout the supply chain.
Every shipment is weighed and labeled for accurate inventory and logistics. Robotic palletizing improves efficiency while maintaining stable loads.
Robotic palletizing improves efficiency while maintaining stable loads.
Wrapped pallets are stored until customer orders are ready for dispatch. Digital tracking ensures the correct products are prepared for delivery. Gradients. From discarded orange peels to premium clothing, this innovative manufacturing process demonstrates how modern technology can. After leaving the factory, the finished garments arrive at a distribution center, where every shipment is digitally verified before storage.
Each pallet is identified and recorded before entering inventory.
Digital inventory systems help track every carton from arrival to customer delivery.
Automated storage maximizes warehouse space while protecting finished garments.
When a customer order arrives, the warehouse system locates the required products within seconds. Every product is checked again to ensure accurate order fulfillment.
The garments are repacked for safe transportation to retailers.
Each shipment is securely sealed and labeled for its destination. After an extraordinary manufacturing journey, the finished garments are presented for customers to experience their quality and craftsmanship. Close inspection highlights the precision of the manufacturing process and the attention given to every finishing detail. The finished textile is designed to combine comfort, flexibility, and durability.
Careful inspection confirms the consistent finish achieved during textile processing.
The journey from agricultural byproduct to finished clothing demonstrates the remarkable possibilities of modern textile innovation. Every stage of production contributes to transforming citrus processing byproducts into finished apparel. The final garment represents the combined precision of every manufacturing stage. Modern manufacturing combines skilled workers with advanced automation to maintain consistent production quality. From raw citrus byproducts to premium clothing, every department plays a role in this carefully coordinated manufacturing process. What began as discarded orange peels has completed an extraordinary manufacturing journey into a finished garment, illustrating the creativity and after months of research, engineering, and precision manufacturing, the orange-derived fabric has become a complete clothing collection.
Every manufacturing stage contributed to transforming citrus byproducts into finished apparel. Precision manufacturing can be seen in every stitch and every woven thread. Each approved garment has successfully completed the factory's quality control process.
This manufacturing process illustrates one approach to converting agricultural byproducts into textile materials.
Every department contributes to a continuous manufacturing workflow.
The completed garments are organized for efficient storage and distribution. The completed products begin their journey to retailers and customers. The finished garments represent the result of careful engineering and manufacturing. The journey from orange peels to clothing highlights the creativity and precision involved in modern textile manufacturing.
Behind every finished garment is a coordinated manufacturing process carried out with precision and consistency.
This concludes our look inside the manufacturing process of clothing made from orange peels. Thanks for watching.